It's 416 Rim Gods, baby. Call Daddy anytime.
At this point, we need to see results. We need to see things repaired because this is, honestly, this is getting out of control. Like the amount of mistakes that we're seeing, the amount of issues that we're having, we're in this hamster wheel of just constant issues, and it's the same problem over and over and over and over and over again, and we're getting absolutely nowhere. We're absolutely nowhere. We have a website that doesn't. That's all it is. We have a website that doesn't work. We went from semi-working to not working.
Right, we just wrapped up this Porsche 911 992. We got the HRE LW101s, and for those of you that don't know, LW means lightweight. These wheels are literally feather light. The vehicle is lowered and it's looking hot and sexy for the summer. So if you got one of these fobs, make sure you hit us up because we are the #1 spot to get your Porsche done. You already know.
back it up front?
Yeah.
Let's do it. This came up. Green caliper behind the wheel wall. With the carbon action to the front and the back. It's like 2 millimeters. Right on.
Guys, we got this 2018 Audi S5 we just wrapped up. Those AG M520Rs in a gloss black. 20 by 10.5 all the way around with Continental rubber. Looks good and rides good. Let us know what you guys think. The customer is going to be back soon to have it lowered as well, so stay tuned.
I live my life right on the line. You know how I miss you. Will you come home with me tonight? 'Cause I just wanna get you this time.
Like right here. Like in this area upstairs. This area. Beirut. 24 silver.
Get you this time. I just wanna get you.
So this is without the XL plate. Alright? This
It doesn't include
Dylan, you know where the plates are in the little room?
'Cause I just wanna get you this time.
But it's different vibes, you know? But that one is more similar to your cousin. This is significantly different, so when you see them, you'll see the difference. There's gonna be no confusion. I'm gonna bring it out now. But like I said, this can be, you can rock this both ways. Exposed lug with the small cap, or we can do it with the covered cap with the big XL floater, with the big floaters.
'Cause I just wanna get you this time. 'Cause I just wanna get you this time.
Nobody has this set yet. It's literally the only thing I have is promo shots that Giovanna sent me. Like they did our new big body Range Rover.
We are mounting a set of HRE wheels for a 2025 Porsche GT3.
Jeez. Yo, what are you doing, bro? Yo, you're only supposed to mount one, huh? Yay! Forgiato gang. Yo, if you want real wheels, you know where to go, baby. You can't talk about those at the shops, I don't know. This city's a little finicky.
We got a Ford Raptor we're about to bring in. Just completed a level kit earlier this morning. Wheels are already going on. We got some 22-inch Bostons wrapped in some 37s. Stay tuned, let us know what you guys think.
Are you ready to be his friend? He's that high up to be friends. I want everything to be low. Okay? Okay. Just try your best. I don't want you and my dad to be replaced and meanies again. I want you and my dad to be placed and settled and
vehicle come back. They thought it was their patch that's leaking. Come on now, our patches never leak. They put a nail right beside their old patch, so you know, I already patched that up.